Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So my audio is messed up. My son plays with my phone, so I think that's why. So you guys are going to hear me come in and out, like if I'm kind of like really far away from the phone, but I'm not. I don't know. I'm trying to work on it. I'm hoping and I'm praying that I get a camera for Christmas so that I can go ahead and give you like better quality videos and audio and stuff like that. But for now, this is what I have, so this is what we're gonna deal with. So today I'm going to be unboxing and trying on my Boxycharm. It's like the regular one for this month. And then I also did get my LiveGlam. It's the Morphe Me and the LiveGlam Kiss Me. I'll go into detail with these, but I wanted to kind of, I guess, focus on this box right here. This month is Stellar, or Stellar. I don't know how you say it. I think I'm probably saying it wrong. Concealer sample in my box, but I honestly think that neither one of these shades will match me. I think I need Veil of Secrecy, which is light, which is like one of the shades that's in here, because these look too dark. This one looks too pink for me, so yeah. I also did get these self-warming eye masks, which is really weird. I've never heard of these before. These retail for $10 each, so I got 2 of them, so it's like 20 bucks, I guess you could say. Never heard of this brand either, so I will be trying these out on one of my pamper nights. I did also get a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. I've never tried one of these before either. I got the shade Date Night, which is like a matte red. These retail for $18 each. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you. Looks like that. It's a very pretty red color. Reds, I only wear them like around the holidays. I don't really wear them like every day. I also did get this Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. And this retails for $50. It's supposed to help reduce like the fine lines around your eyes and deep puff and all that stuff. Looks like this. I've never tried anything from Juice Beauty before. And this is like the applicator, and you're just supposed to like push this down and then the part comes off, and then you just kind of like put it on. We'll see how that works. I also did get the Versace Rose Gold Skin Mist. This is so pretty. I was actually wanting this. This retails for $39. I wanted this so bad. Like so bad. I hear a lot of people talking about it. And when I finally just like saw that I was getting this in my box, I was like so happy. This is so pretty. Like it's just so pretty with all like the gold and stuff in it. I think it's so pretty. I can't wait to use this. And then the last thing I got was the Celestial Thunder by Dominique Cosmetics. It's an eyeshadow palette. This retails for $35. Very pretty colors. I think they're very pretty. We'll see what I can come up with in this box this month. I'll probably use this today. I probably won't be using this or this today. The red color I might not be using just because I don't think it's gonna go with my outfit and the look I'm trying to go for. And then like I said, this does not work for me, so I'm probably gonna have to put this like for a giveaway or just give it to like my sister. I'll just probably end up using just these 2 products for today. And then I will go into the LiveGlam. I'll go into the LiveGlam stuff. I'm so sorry if you guys like see my background. I have no sheets on my bed because my boyfriend was here and he was sick, so I'm washing the sheets. And then this area is different to my right. The nightstand is gone, so I'm like reorganizing my room. So you guys will see like the jacket with the laundry basket there, so I gotta get rid of that stuff. So my background is not perfect today, but I did, like I said, want to get out this video for you guys. And now I have somebody right next to me, so you guys hear him. That is why. Anyways, so I have been getting LiveGlam for I think like about 2 months ish already. I think this is my 3rd month, I think. They have lipsticks, they have Morphe brushes, and then they have palettes. The palettes only come every 3 months, and it's $20 for a palette. I'm not interested in that, so I was like, no. But these are $20 each, so this is the LiveGlam, and this is called the Kiss Me. They do send you different lipsticks, or they're actually not lipsticks, they're liquid lips every month. So this is like the little mailer it comes in. It always comes like with a little card. This is the owner's wife. And then it kind of tells you on the back. Well, they're getting married, fiance, I guess. And this month, obviously, she was the feature of it because he just proposed to her, so they're getting married. And these are the shades that she did and that she picked out. I like the top of the like wands. They're super cute. So we have I Do, which is this like pink one. Actually, let me show you. So this is I Do. They're all different. I don't think I've ever like unboxed one of these with you guys, so I'm doing it now. But this one is I Do. And then this one is Wifey. And they stay on very, very good, guys. So this one's Wifey. And then the last one is Honeymoon, which is like a brown. That's Honeymoon. So very pretty colors. I like them. I always like to get them. So they are in collaboration with Morphe, so you do get Morphe brushes. You either get 3 to 6 Morphe brushes every month for $20. So this month we got 5 brushes, and this one's her Say Yes to the Brushes bundle. Like I said, she's the feature for this month since they just got married. We'll see if I can incorporate these in the video as well.